Okay, so I've got these bay windows that we've been trying to put a curtain rail on, curtain rod, whatever, pearl pole, whatever you want to call it, and was having problems here in the middle where it was joining. Now, these things were strung at one point, and that never did work very good, so we took that, and I was using that to try and hold those two pieces together. Okay, so there's another one behind there. Well, it was a second ago. Oh, here it is. Now this joins it. Now the problem with that, the one I just showed you, the wheels on it, was on the bottom track, so it was sticking about like that. So whenever you wanted to close it, it would only go to about right there. So now I've taken that out. And then the other problem was there was no support here. I couldn't get it right. So the only thing I've done is now I've put a little shim in there on both of these ones. And that seems to have done the trick, really. So all this time we've been messing around with it. You can see where I tried the different holes, different places, but I didn't use a shim. If I'd used a shim to bring it out, it might have worked sooner, but we got there in the end. So now I just got to put this back in the top part, tighten it up, and then put it back up there. And hopefully, as they say in England, Bob will be your uncle. So here we go.